Hey loves, today's video is an Amazon nail art haul. I have some new gel polishes. I purchased this really pretty silicone mat and armrest for my nail table, and I also have a super realistic nail art practice hand. I will be using all of these products to create a super easy and colorful summertime nail art design. The first item in my Amazon nail haul is the ULG Bright Rainbow 6-piece gel polish set that I purchased for $16.99. This is the Noverlife silicone mat and armrest set in rose red, and it was $14.99. The last item in my haul is the KnowU Silicone Nail Art Practice Hand in shade 4 that I received as a gift, but it cost $60. I love how realistic this hand is. It has a very nice weight to it. It has a very real feel to it, and with the added details and touches on the top and underside of the hand, it is really nice. The fingers are very easy to bend. You can place them any way you need to make it easier to apply your nail art. Included with the hand are these nail tips that you apply into the well of each finger so that you can apply your own nail tip or full cover nail too. I will be using the double XL full cover coffin nails from the Attitude Shop on Etsy. I applied my full cover nails using the builder gel method. I have a video on my channel detailing exactly how to do this method. It will be available at the top of the description. I am starting off this nail design by applying the Rosalind gel polish in shade 40 from their 12 color gel polish set available on Amazon. I will be applying 3 coats, curing each one for 30 seconds. Starting with color 54, I am first making a very thin line using my striping brush, and I'm making it kind of close to the tip of the nail. I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. Now from that line down towards the free edge of the nail, I will apply 2 coats of the color, curing for 30 seconds each. Now I am applying the Beatles Gel Polish in shade 678, which is from their Lucky Charms 6-piece gel polish set, which is also available on Amazon. And I am applying it right above the first gel color that I placed down. I will cure this for 30 seconds. To adhere my crystals, I am using the Gadgets Entrepot UV LED Glue Gel. I am going over my rhinestone glue with the Sensationail Gel Base and Top Coat. Now I am applying the Swarovski Silk Crystals. After placing my crystals down, I will then cure for 60 seconds. I love these nails. They came out so pretty. I cleaned up the sides and cuticle areas as best as I could, but the nails are glued into the fingers. Overall, with this being my first time using a practice hand, I think I did pretty good. All of the products that I used to create this nail design, along with the other products that I hauled, will all be available down below in the description. Have you used a silicone nail art hand before? If so, do you have any tips or tricks I can use to make it a little bit easier for myself? Please let me know down below in a comment. And until next time, bye loves!